Body movement verbs. Clap.
Clap.
Clap your hands. Wave.
Wave.
Wave to your friends. Smile.
Smile.
The baby smiles. Laugh.
Laugh.
We laugh loudly. Cry.
Cry.
The girl cries. Yawn.
Yawn.
Dad yawns at night. Stretch.
Stretch.
Stretch your arms. Bend.
Bend.
Bend your knees. Kick.
Kick.
Kick the ball. Punch.
Punch.
Punch the pillow. Throw.
Throw.
Throw the ball. Catch.
Catch.
Catch the toy. Push.
Push.
Push the door. Pull.
Pull.
Pull the rope. Lift.
Lift.
Lift the box. Carry.
Carry.
Carry your bag. Crawl.
Crawl.
The baby crawls. Hop.
Hop.
Hop like a bunny. Skip.
Skip.
The girl skips happily. Spin.
Spin.
Spin around slowly.